Maintenance mode allows the 2025 Toyota RAV4's engine to run for diagnostics or servicing without engaging the drivetrain. It's a dealer technician feature vital for tasks like battery testing, fluid checks, or software updates, ensuring safety and EPA compliance. It isolates the internal combustion engine from the electric motors. To enter maintenance mode, use the dashboard controls like the power button and accelerator pedal. Maintenance mode prevents unintended vehicle movement during service. It allows specific diagnostics, like battery testing and software flashing, to be performed safely. It also helps technicians diagnose issues without the complexities of the hybrid drive system interfering. Park on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and close all doors. Insert the key or ensure the smart key is nearby. Turn the ignition to on by pressing the power button without depressing the brake. Within 10 seconds, fully press and hold the accelerator pedal for 5 to 10 seconds, then release. The engine will start idling. To exit, turn off the ignition and wait 30 seconds. The Toyota RAV4 hybrid system uses a planetary gear set to blend power from the internal combustion engine and electric motors. In maintenance mode, this system isolates the internal combustion engine from the electric motors, allowing safe servicing without engaging the drivetrain. Before major service, always disconnect the 12-volt battery's negative terminal to prevent electrical shorts that could affect the hybrid control module. The Toyota RAV4 2025 uses a 45 Ah AGM 12-volt battery. This battery powers accessories like lights and infotainment and provides backup power for the vehicle's systems. The AGM design provides enhanced durability and maintenance-free operation compared to traditional batteries. Regularly check the battery's voltage using a multimeter. A fully charged 12-volt battery should read at least 12.6 volts. If the battery is depleted, use a portable jump starter or another vehicle to jumpstart it. Always follow safety procedures. The high-voltage hybrid battery requires professional handling. Never attempt to jumpstart or boost it directly, as this can cause costly damage. Always consult certified technicians for any high-voltage battery work. While maintenance mode isolates high-voltage components, orange insulation indicates live systems. Always wear insulated gloves rated for high-voltage work. Follow lockout-tagout procedures when working on the hybrid system. In a real-world case from a Seattle Toyota dealership, technicians used maintenance mode to diagnose a faulty 12-volt battery in a 2025 RAV4. The owner reported a hybrid battery alert, and by entering maintenance mode, they isolated the issue without affecting the high-voltage system. This avoided a costly $2,500 tow and repair bill, demonstrating how maintenance mode enables efficient diagnostics while keeping the vehicle safe and stationary. On an online forum, a Toyota RAV4 owner successfully used maintenance mode to check oil levels during a road trip. By following the proper entry sequence, they confirmed no leaks and avoided unnecessary service stops. However, improper exit from maintenance mode caused a temporary dashboard error, which was resolved by cycling the ignition. This example underscores the importance of following the exact procedure precisely to prevent minor but avoidable issues. In a December 2025 recall, Toyota addressed a software glitch in maintenance mode that prevented consistent engine idling. Owners reported the issue via the T-Connect platform, and the fix was deployed as an over-the-air update. This demonstrates the value of real-time software updates in maintaining vehicle reliability and allowing remote resolution of maintenance-related problems without visiting a dealership. Experts praise Toyota's hybrid maintenance as elegantly simple, with maintenance mode reducing service time by up to 50% compared to older models. Looking ahead to 2030, predictive analytics will lower maintenance costs by 35%, while increased cybersecurity will protect maintenance mode from tampering. Stay updated through Toyota's official resources or community forums like rav4world.com.